Hi guys, it's me, Kat Alexandra, and I'm back with another video. Yeah. If you thought this was an ASMR video, you're wrong because it's not an ASMR video. This is a video about how to maintain your curly blonde hair, or just blonde hair in general, but I have curly hair, so this is specifically targeted for curly blondes. So I recently dyed my hair blonde a while back. I made a video of blonde curly hairstyles. That was my last video that I made, and I told you guys that I recently dyed my hair blonde. So this is a follow-up video on how to care for and maintain your blonde curly hair. This was not the first time that I've dyed my hair blonde. I've dyed my hair blonde about 2 other times. So the first time I dyed my hair blonde was a blonde ombre where the ends were blonde. The second time I did a blonde balayage. But the second time I dyed my hair, it wasn't exactly the color that I wanted. It was like a brassy, like caramel blonde, and I wanted it to be like ashy blonde, like that beautiful ash blonde color. So I went back this summer and I dyed my hair again, and this time it's a lot closer to how I wanted it. Still not exactly how I want it, but my hair stylist told me that the more that you go in to get your hair dyed or hair bleached blonde, the lighter it will get. So it did get lighter than the last time, especially like the end pieces. I don't know if you could see, I have like really light, almost white end pieces, but I also still have some really dark pieces left, and I want them to be more blonde. I want almost my whole head to be like really ash blonde. I'll insert a picture of what I want in my hair so that you guys can see what I'm trying to achieve, but that's what I want. So I know that I have to go back and get a retouch sometime. Fun fact that I didn't really know before: blonde doesn't really come out of your hair. The dye doesn't wash off, it's bleached, so it will stay that way. The more your hair grows, the more dark it will be, because the roots are going to be your natural hair color. So the more it grows, the darker your hair will be at the top, but the bottom and the ends will still be bleached. The bleach never goes away, but what happens is it will get brassy. My hair is still kind of brassy, but I toned it recently, just yesterday, and I'll tell you guys all about how I toned it. Basically, toning means that you are taking away the brassiness of the blonde color and you're making it more of an ash blonde, or you're brightening your blonde even more so that it's not that orangey brassy color. So let's talk about how to tone that brassy color that you may have. So to tone, you will really need a purple shampoo. I really recommend a purple shampoo. I don't know what it is about purple. Hold on, I gotta look that up too, because I really want to know like what it is about purple shampoo that removes all the dull yellow color. So let's do a little research. So to neutralize yellow hues, you'd color them with purple ones. Purple shampoo uses basic color mixing to hide those brassy tones. Okay, so something about the purple color just gets rid of like all the yellow hues in your hair. It says when your hair absorbs a small amount of purple pigment, it cancels out all the red, yellow undertones, so that makes sense. So then it would leave your hair with like the blue undertones, which is like more closer to like blonde gray. So that's what happens. So I have this right here. You're probably wondering why I'm holding a bottle, but this, I went into Sally's beauty supply store because I was looking for a purple shampoo, and I asked the lady there that was working there, I was like, what's the best purple shampoo that you carry in this store? She told me Shimmer Lights is the most recommended best purple shampoo that we hold. So I picked it up, of course. It's a shampoo for blonde and silver hair, so if you have silver hair and you want to keep the silver as well, this would be a good shampoo for you too. It says color enhancing shampoo, brightens and refreshes blonde, highlighted and silver hair. So basically I used this yesterday. I wanted to test it out before I spoke about it. It really, like, I could tell the difference. Like, it was turning a little bit brassy, so I put the purple shampoo in and it really brightened my hair up. So what I did in the shower was I wet my hair, of course, and I lathered this purple shampoo. Now this shampoo is actually purple. It is literally, I'm not gonna squirt it out, but like it's literally dark purple, and it was like all over my bathtub, but it doesn't stain, like it goes right down the drain. It's fine. So I lathered it in my hair, I rinsed it out, and I repeated it. Now if you want your hair to be like, if it's really brassy and you want it to be like extra bright and blonde, then you could leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, which is what I did because I wanted like the best results. So I left it in for about I didn't go all the way to 5 minutes. I went to like 3 minutes, and then I left it in and I rinsed it out. So that was the second lather that I did. And then I just carried on with the rest of my hair care routine with conditioner. And there is a conditioner, the Shimmer Lights conditioner as well, but I just felt like I didn't need the conditioner as well because that's too much money to spend, and I just felt like it wasn't necessary. So I just bought the shampoo because a purple shampoo is necessary for blonde hair. The conditioner, I don't think it's that necessary, but you can go ahead and buy it if you're like really committed to this product. So this is what I recommend. I like it. I really trust that it's gonna be good for my blonde hair. Next, I recommend So of course I recommend that you use hair masks if your hair is damaged or colored or bleached or anything. Hair masks are always good for curly hair. I don't do them often. I probably use them like once or twice a month at the most. Like, I don't really use hair masks unless my hair feels like extra damaged and brittle. But here I have some of my favorites. Like, I just have 3 right now. So 2 of them are from Shea Moisture. One is the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System with marula oil and biotin. The second one is Maui Moisture Strength and Anti-Breakage with Agave hair masks, and I used this in my video where I was trying to transition from straight hair to curly hair, and I'll have that linked somewhere above me. And then the third one is Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. This one I bought a while ago, but it worked for me pretty well, so I recommend that. And I just like all 3 of these are really good masks. I really recommend like Shea Moisture masks. That's what I usually go for. That's why I have like 2 of them, and I probably have more somewhere in my like hair product cupboard. So another alternative that you could be using for hair masks is oils. So there's a lot of oils that you could be using in your hair. There's macadamia oil, there's argan oil, coconut oil. There's a lot of oils that I do recommend. Castor oil is one that would help grow your hair, and that's been proven that it's like really good for hair growth. So I recommend castor oil. But one oil that I've been using the most is Biotin and Collagen Weightless Healing Oil Treatment. This oil, sorry, I have hair on it. This oil is like amazing. I love it. I don't know if it really works for growth, but this oil makes my hair extra soft, and I love putting it on like after I put on styling product. I put it on like my ends of my hair, like because they feel a little bit dry. And after I use like the Shimmer Light shampoo, that's like a really like drying shampoo. That's why you're only supposed to use like the Shimmer Lights or a toning purple shampoo maybe like once or twice a month. So you don't use that often. You don't use that shampoo often because it can dry out your hair. But after I put on this oil, it like really softened my hair, and it like got rid of like the dry ends that I had after using the shampoo. So this oil, very helpful. I would 10 out of 10 recommend buying this oil. So the next thing that I just really want to say is to avoid heat when your hair is bleached, because your hair is technically already like damaged from the bleach, but you should try to refrain from any heat, because you don't want to add heat, because that's extra damage on your hair after it's just been bleached. So when you add heat, it's just gonna ruin, like, it's just gonna ruin your hair even more from after it's been bleached. So I would refrain from heat, straightening, curling, and if you do, I would only do it like once a month. It's just really, like, heat is just not good for your hair, and when you do it, always use a heat protector or heat protectant product. So that's my last tip for you guys. I hope that I gave you guys some very informative tips. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more notifications when I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching.